Hello children, this is your English ma'am. I hope you all enjoyed yesterday's session. Am I right? Have you all recalled all the synonyms, antonyms and question answers? Is it easy for you to recall? Yes? Very good. Have you all read the poem? Yes? Very good children. Let's start today's session. I have come today with a new passage to gain your attention. Am I right? Yes. Now today you are going to get interested in reading by reading this passage. Here comes a small girl in this story. Okay. In this passage it's a small story about Tina. Let's go and see. Here it is a passage comprehension. What is this? Passage comprehension in the sense will give you a small passage or small story or a small poem and will give some questions below. By reading that passage or poem or story, you can answer these questions easily. That will improve your reading. Okay? Yes, whenever we start reading anything new, we have to read that passage or poem or story, whatever it may be, at least twice, so that we can come to an idea what is the passage or poem actually about. Okay? Yes, our title is Emma the Chef. Emma the Chef. Here comes the story. Before reading the story, I am giving the instruction again. First time, listen carefully when I am reading. Second time, read along with me aloud. Okay, you have to read aloud. Let's start the passage. Hi, my name is Tina. I am 10 years old. Emma is my sister. She is working as a chef in a restaurant near our home. She likes to bake cookies for me. She likes cakes. I love cookies and ice creams. Every weekend I go to the restaurant with Emma. Did you follow me? Yes? Shall we read together? Yes, start. Hi, my name is Tina. I'm 10 years old. What was the girl name? Tina. How many years old is she? 10 years old. Emma is my sister. Whose sister is Emma? Emma is Tina's sister. She is working as a chef in a restaurant near our home. Where does she work? She is working as a chef in a restaurant near their home. She likes to bake cookies for me. What does she like to bake? She likes to bake cookies. For whom? For Tina. She likes cakes. Since she is a chef, she likes cakes. I love cookies and ice creams. What does Tina like? Tina likes cookies and ice creams. Every weekend I go to the restaurant with Emma. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. At that time, Tina used to go to the restaurant with Emma. Are you all clear with this passage? Yes? Okay. After reading the passage, if you answer the questions given below, it will give you an idea that how much you understood the passage. Okay? Let's go to the first question. Who is Emma? Who is Emma? Who is Emma? Tina's mom, Tina's sister, Tina's friend. Very good. Emma is Tina's sister. Where is Emma working? Where is she working? Bank, school or restaurant? Very good. Restaurant. Emma is working in a restaurant as a chef. Very good. What does Emma like? Cakes, cookies or ice creams? She likes cakes. So she likes cakes. Very good. What does Emma bake for Tina? She likes to bake cookies for me. So cakes, cookies or ice cream, which is the answer? Very good. Cookies is the correct answer. I hope you all enjoyed reading this passage. Am I right? Yes. Very good, children. Not only now, wherever you see any passage in English in your book, you try to read and try to comprehend it. Okay? If you do that means you will learn more words and their meanings also. Okay? Let's go to the next session. Are you all clear with this passage? Shall we move to next session? Yes, next part is sight words. Already I came up with sight words. Why am I reading again? To recall all the words. At this time we are not going to read many times. We are going to just recall only one time to make you well versed in all the sight words in my presentation. Okay, good. First word is I. I told you already, children. This time you are going to read along with me quickly. We have more number of slides. Okay. Okay. First word is I. As. Children, only if you read it aloud along with me, you will get a good pronunciation as well as well versed in reading all the sight words. Yes, very good. I think you got the point. As, in, it, am, he, on, we, at, all, up, is, as, be, he, go, and, to, so, be, no, of, my, you, his, the, and, she, for, but, run, or, ate, did, eat. Let's go to the next slide. New, now, or. Children, are you all following? Yes. Read aloud. How much loud you can read, you read aloud. Okay. Are, out, ran, may, was, say, not, his, let, ask, put, fly, me, but, how, saw, who, will, yes, any, put, him, read, one, has, her, had, old, got, big, can, see. I hope you are all clear with these words. Shall we move to next one? Yes, quick revision. Then, think, walk, where, when, take, want, will, went, what, with, once, open, over, some, stop, right, just, no, live, thank, them, give, open, both, been, best. Yes, let's move to next one. With, look, there, some, have, then, here, play, blue, come, little, down, away, down, find, jump, look, soon, this, like, must, have, into. 4. They said that hell came good. Yes? Is it easy for you to follow? Good. Next slide. Over, take, some, then, them. Know the difference between then and them, children. Pronounce it properly. Then, them. Make, walk, where, when, where. Funny, could, under, white, after, again, every, time, thing, there, going, round, pretty, please, before, yellow, always, around, because. Is it easy for you? This is because. I hope you all understood the sight words. Is it easy for you to recall? Yes, read the sight words again and again so that you will become a good reader. As I said already, here we have read a passage. Just to recall now, what's the passage name? The title is Emma the Chef. Hi, my name is Tina. I'm 10 years old. Emma is my sister. She is working as a chef in a restaurant near our home. She likes to bake cookies for me. She likes cakes. I love cookies and ice creams. Every weekend I go to the restaurant with Emma. I hope this time you have read this passage quickly, because already we read twice. At that time we have become well versed in reading this passage. We got the idea actually what is the passage is about, as well as we have practiced the sight words so that your speed of reading has increased. Am I right? Yes, practice the sight words daily, at least one time. Read all the sight words daily. Read the passages. Wherever you see any word in English, try to read. For example, if you are traveling or if you are meeting your friends, meeting your family members, whomever you are meeting, try to talk to them in English, communicate with them in English, and try to read the books. Whatever books at your home which is useful, you can read with the help of your parents. Okay, that will improve your reading competency. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Take care, practice well, become a good reader. All the best. Thank you so much, children. Bye bye.